Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to install the Camber kit for my R32 Skyline, so stay tuned. I just want to say thank you for my subscribers for your support, and for those who are not subscribed to my channel yet, if you like what you see and if you think this video is helpful, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and share. So let's stop the talking and let's get to it. Let's go ahead and jack the car up and remove the two front wheels. Okay, so once you have the wheel off, the upper control arm is located right here. All right, and it's holding on these bolts, one right here and one right here, and there are size 17 millimeters. And as far as it is, it looks pretty simple. Hopefully I don't come into a problem, but let's go ahead and remove those nuts. Point, I'm just gonna take this upper control arm and it should just come out. Just like that. Very easy. I got no issue. For this OEM upper control arm, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just that I would like to have some cambered, some negative camber on my front. That way, you know, it will help out while I'm drifting. So that's the only point. The only reason why that I'm changing it. So other than that, yeah, it's pretty easy coming out. So let's go ahead and put the new one in. So this one is the OEM upper control arm, and here's the aftermarket one. So if you notice, this is out of the box is much shorter than the OEM one. So what I need to do is I have to adjust these to the OEM spec for now until I get an alignment. That way I can adjust per, like, I want the front to be at least -3 or -5. So yeah, so let's go ahead and adjust this, adjust the new one to the OEM spec. Okay, so I'm going to adjust the aftermarket one. There's a lot of ways you can do this, but I'm just going to use this long bolt, or you can have like a long a piece of rod or something, and just go ahead and try and line it up the best you can, and then just go ahead and just adjust little by little until it will line up for the bottom one. For the aftermarket one, to make adjustment just by twisting this, and then it's moving slowly. All right, I don't know if you guys can see that. All right, so just keep on twisting it. All right, and now I'm going to use the other bolt and let's see if it match. Okay, so this is the best that I can adjust for now, and then after that, and then just go ahead and turn these nut here to close it. You do it for the top side and you do it for the bottom side. Same thing up here. That way you can lock the adjustment so it won't move. So this is the best adjustment that I can do for now. Then once I take it to alignment, then I'll adjust from there. Once everything has been adjusted, and go ahead and install. And be sure pull all the bolts, the nuts, and tighten down to a toy spec. Most important is these adjustments on the aftermarket. Make sure they are tight. You don't want them to get loose while you're driving, and it could be dangerous. So just be mindful that double check your work and make sure everything is all tight. With this process, it's very simple. I didn't come into any issue. So with this, do the same thing to the other side. So right now I'm just going to put the wheel back on and call it a day. Alright guys, I'm going to end this video right here. If you guys watch it this far, it means that I did something right? Well, this process here, it was pretty straightforward. I didn't have any problem, and that's a good thing. And I would like that, but sometimes it doesn't go that way. We might have a small issue into a big issues, and it happens. And that's car life, and this is what we do. But I'm still learning as I go, and I'm just like an average Joe, So, yeah. The next plan, I don't know yet, but I'll surprise you guys. I'll see you guys next time.